In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept all suggested edits all at once in Google Docs. If you've ever collaborated with others on a document, you know how useful suggested edits can be. They allow for seamless collaboration, offering you a way to review and incorporate changes made by your colleagues or partners. Today, I'll guide you through a simple process to accept all these suggestions in one go, making the revision process more efficient. First, make sure you have your Google Docs document open. Assuming there are suggested edits in your document that are ready for review, you will want to streamline the process. Start by navigating to the top menu bar of your Google Docs interface. There you'll see a list of different options available to you. Among these, you'll find the Tools menu, which holds the key to tackling suggested edits with ease. Click on Tools, and you'll notice that a drop-down menu appears offering several selections. One of these choices reads Review Suggested Edits. Click on this option to bring up a new panel that specifically manages the suggested revisions within your document. This is the central hub, allowing you to address multiple edits simultaneously rather than hunting down each one individually throughout your text. Now here's a quick note. While I currently don't have any suggested edits in my document to demonstrate, this method remains a go-to approach whenever changes do await your approval. What you'll typically see is an interface that provides a preview of all the suggested edits in your document. At this stage, you're given two straightforward options. You can either choose to accept all suggested edits, which integrates all the changes into your document in one fell swoop, or you can opt to reject all if you decide against incorporating any of the proposed changes. This feature is incredibly beneficial when dealing with numerous suggestions since it saves a considerable amount of time and ensures you don't miss anything important. Whether you're working under tight deadlines or aiming to move through revisions swiftly, having the capacity to accept all edits at once can significantly aid your workflow. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can quickly and efficiently accept all suggested edits in your Google Docs document. It's a straightforward feature, but one that can dramatically enhance your efficiency when managing collaborative documents. Whether you're working on a project for school, business, or any other group effort, this can be a lifesaver, ensuring your document is polished and ready to go in no time. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps make your collaborative editing a breeze.